when this was on Shark Tank, and they got a deal. It wasn't long after that that Daisy Cakes, the cakes, came to QVC, and we sold the cakes. Well, tonight we're going to offer you their very first cookbook, full of great classics that they do sell in their bakery, and other family favorites that are not sold in the bakery but are now available to you in this book in your own kitchen. Already 500 cookbooks are gone. Let's welcome in Kim Nelson. She is the owner and the writer of our cookbook. Hi there, friend.
Oh, hello.
Mwah. Nice
to
see
be
you.
here. Thank you so
We're thrilled
much.
to have you back, Angel.
Thank you.
Now, Kim and I worked together years ago when she was here with her cakes. In fact, I think I worked with you the first time you were on the air.
You did.
So it's nice to have you back.
And how lucky am I to be back here again tonight with you?
How lucky are we that you brought this marvelous cookbook. This is a great celebration of your family sweet, and I mean that literally, sweet history.
Yes, it really is. And
Tell us about Daisy Cakes.
Each recipe has a little story to go along with it.
Yeah.
Which is, kind of like little childhood memories or things that, just bring back endearing moments.
And make it special for your family and for your readers.
Exactly. And they can share, and they can create these beautiful recipes and then share those memories, make those memories with their family too.
Sweet lady, we need to start right here because I have a sneaking suspicion what this is. Is this strawberry rhubarb?
It's strawberry rhubarb with a little basil.
What? You put basil in the strawberry rhubarb?
I did. I have a great friend who makes a strawberry basil jam. And I thought strawberry basil, strawberry rhubarb, let's put it all together in a delicious pie with a wonderful pie crust to go right on top.
Now, do we have a bowl to scoop this in?
Oh, do we have a bowl?
With
it's got ice cream in it.
Yes, ma'am. And it's got a
hot
little
out of the
pastry
oven.
crust,
Yes.
which is lovely.
Not too sweet, just right.
Well, that's the thing about strawberry rhubarb. If you cut the rhubarb with just the right amount of strawberry, you get a nice balance, don't you?
It's lovely. You're going to love it.
Because rhubarb by itself is pretty tangy and sour, right? So you cut it with the strawberry and that gorgeous ice cream. Oh, my.
Isn't that nice and smooth?
It's like going home again.
Yeah, exactly.
My grandma used to grow her own rhubarb and strawberries, and she'd make this every summer. So nice. You know what this gets? Wait for it.
Oh, not already.
The happy dance. Yeah, that's the strawberry rhubarb cobbler happy dance. How about some fried hand pies?
Oh, this recipe is, I have a family, they live over on Lover's Lane down in Union, South Carolina.
Of course they do.
And this pie dough is just a great recipe to have because this one has applesauce pie in it. It's an applesauce pie.
Oh my, and look how flaky this is. Great big piece just flaked right off the top and I broke it. Isn't that amazing? Now, down south, a good old fried pie like this is one you take on the go with you, right?
Yes, you would want to, make this and have it, nice and warm. But you can also use that same basic recipe for the dough. Put peaches in there, strawberries, blueberries.
You know what we're doing? We're swaying.
Yeah.
We're swaying. Here, bend your knees and sway with me. That's my girl. Come on, get it. This is so crazy. One summer in Chapel Hill when I was in school, I rented a room in a fraternity house. And the wonderful cook cooked all summer long for us summer homemade goodies, southern homemade goodies. She made fried hand pies.
How about that?
I used to love to eat them room temperature. They were so perfect.
They are
all right,
perfect.
so can we talk about this? This is your banana split pie.
Yes, with roasted pineapple and roasted bananas.
What?
And a chocolate crust and fresh whipping cream on top.
And I have a slice back here. How many gone now, Sean? 1,200 books are gone. This is banana split pie.
Yes.
With roasted caramelized bananas and pineapples.
Yes.
In a homemade chocolate cookie crust.
Yes.
Topped with whipped topping and maraschino cherries.
You can't go wrong.
Heaven. I'm in heaven.
And this is a great dessert for the summertime. You can make ahead. If you're going on a picnic or having family over, make it several days ahead, pop it in the fridge, and you're ready.
Put your hands in the air. You go right, I'll go left. Happy dance double. Get it, 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 get it. I want to thumb through this book. I want you to see. Woo, as I knock it on the floor. Don't worry, didn't break. All right. Take a look here at the gorgeous color. Oh, there's that. Oh, look, look, look. I think I just passed the cobbler, but we'll see it again. Look at the gorgeous color photos, lemon curd, great samples. Well, now we need to get into cake too. Which cake do you want to do, my dear?
Well, I want to talk about how versatile these cakes are. These cake layers can be made into sheet cakes. They can be made into layer cakes like you see here, and they can be made into cupcakes.
Right.
And the recipes can be mixed and matched. Like if you wanted a chocolate cake with coconut icing, you can do it that way. If you want a coconut cake with chocolate icing, you can do that.
Ooh, an Italian cream cake.
Yeah, that's my mama's favorite.
Apple walnut pound cake. Red velvet cake. come on. All right, so which cake should we try?
I'd like for you to try the lemon because that's my personal favorite.
The lemon.
Yes.
All right, here's
it has a lemon curd in it that I make in my grandmother's old enamel pot.
Ooh.
I crack every egg and make that in between the layers. And the great thing about it, too, is you can use an orange curd recipe to go in there, too, that's in the cookbook.
So
if
you
want
can
to
vary
mix
it up, right?
Absolutely. Fresh lemon zest in the cream cheese icing, and you can do orange zest in the icing, too.
It's so bright and
Isn't
flavorful
it is
and
my
light
favorite.
and just really, really perfect. Oh, this is lovely.
And they freeze beautifully, too. So if you're having a gathering for your family, you want to make the cakes ahead of time, and you can pop them in the freezer. They will hold up beautifully.
That lemon curd is just, it finishes. Oh, so nice. Is this sheet pan pie?
Yeah, I call it a gracious plenty pie because it's not, you know, it's just enough for a big crowd, but never, never too much.
Right. Oh, please, can you ever have enough?
No,
pie?
and then you can do some nice, pretty little cutouts with the dough. And, make a nice little decoration.
Look how pretty
on there
this is.
too. Yeah.
Judy, our director, will get a shot of that. And look at that generous, gorgeous apple filling, right?
That's the peach one.
Oh, this is peach. I'm sorry.
Yes, but
Excuse
the
me.
apple's in there too. And
It's got both.
Yes, and you can do, well, there's the recipe is for the apple too.
So you can make it either apple or
Yes.
peach, whatever's in season, right?
And I have, in the book, there's 7 pie crust recipes. So you can do whatever pie crust you like.
Oh, my word. Real quickly, I have 27 seconds. Is this toffee?
This is bacon toffee.
What?
Bacon toffee. Mississippi mud cake.
Where's the bacon toffee?
Oh, yep. And also, just very quickly, now that we're on the bacon, there's this delicious bacon jam, too. That's really good between the yellow cake layers with a little cream cheese icing, sprinkled with a little bacon.
You buried
top.
the lead, sugar, because you did the bacon toffee and the jam. Oh, my word, sweetie, that's so amazing.
I'm so glad you liked it.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
This book is marvelous. Hey, can I tell you, these are shipping on the 27th of February, 100 recipes inside. I'm hugging you with my wrist so I don't get chocolate on you. There's my girl. Nice to see you again.
Thank you.
This is so extraordinary.
I appreciate